Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, y'all, is looking like a vlog style, but it's not really. We're gonna be talking all about this hair right here, y'all. I just wanted to come into the natural light so you guys could actually see what it looks like in natural light, how bright it is, how beautiful it is. So if you'd like to find out all the deets on this hair with the least amount of effort possible, y'all, like when I say this hair was the least amount of effort, okay. Wait, if you're new here, first of all, y'all, hit subscribe to join the tribe, y'all. It's lit, it's popping. It's where you wanna be this hair. If you're interested in finding out how I achieved this look, all the deets on this hair, then keep watching. So this wig is from myfirstwig.com. It's been a while since I've used one of their wigs, but let me tell you, I'm obviously not disappointed. The color as it came was super vibrant. The roots were so well done. I didn't even need to go in and recolor them or fix them. They were nice, beautiful, smooth transitions happening. And they've got this new situation happening. It's kind of like a bra strap that is adjustable that goes inside the wig, and you don't need to sew a band on, honey, okay? Already done for you. If you're a beginner, then this is your dream come true. You really are not gonna have to do much. So this is perfect for your first wig, y'all. I'm just overly excited because I'm so impressed right now. But anyways. And then the inside of the cap has amazing depth. So you're gonna be able to do really nice deep parts, essentially anywhere within the front of the wig. So let's get her on my head. Okay, so we cut off the lace at the front. We don't need that. Oh, okay, girl. Oh my. I have not had red hair in a minute. Okay. So the hairline was doing nothing to it. This is what it's looking like. Pretty good. And I love that the lace is actually blending. So this is like I haven't plucked one hair out yet. So you have an idea. Actually, I'm happy with this cut. Like a lot of these bobs come and they're like, I don't know. I'm kind of happy with this cut because I think I'm gonna do a tuck behind one ear with this look. We're gonna have to gel her down. Okay. Comment below and let me know if you guys are still using Got2b gel or if you are using Bold Hold, Ghost Bond, any of those types of adhesives. I personally feel like for people like myself with lower hairlines, I don't really know if I'm not comfortable with Bold Hold and Ghost Bond. I think it's great for people who are just putting the gel in front of or putting the glue in front of their hairline. But as you guys can see, like I don't have enough room to really be putting my wigs too much in front of my hairline, so I have to put the product on my hair. Also for me, like I like being able to take off my wig every day. I love the idea of, yes, like your wig stays on, you're good to go, but like I go to the gym every day, and like that's just not gonna be conducive to my lifestyle, so I need to be able to take it off on a regular basis. Comment below if you guys are enjoying these in the mirror videos, because I'm able to kind of take you through the process a lot closer than if I was recording and then fast forwarding and voiceovering and all those good things. It's kind of quiet, huh? I know. I'm just trying to be focused right now on this. Sandy strip, y'all. I have been in love with these since high school. Like, the best things ever. All the different phases of my life, sandy strips have been there with me, you know? Short hair, permed hair, natural hair. They're just important in life. All right, now I'm just gonna dry her in. Okay, while she's cooking, I'm gonna start working on this part a little bit. And as you can see, the parting on this wig is pretty deep. Like you got some room to work with. Take some mousse here. This color is so pretty. Watch when it gets the thing on it. I'm just like, yo, my first wigs, y'all did that. Should we stay this deep? Like this deep? Tuck. And then have a shroom, shroom, shroom. Right? Yeah. I'm gonna pluck out some of these hairs here. Open up this parting. It's coming together. I'm gonna take a little bit of my concealer. It's a little bit lighter than my skin. I'll tell you guys right now, I prefer doing this over bleaching knots like any day. Any day. Just because it's just so much easier, it's quicker. Right, let's take her off. So because this part was covered with the band, we're just gonna pluck some more hairs out of here. Right on the hairline. And then we're gonna add more tricks and illusions. So this is like my natural hairline-ish look, where it's like I don't have a ton of baby hair. I don't typically do a lot. It's like just my natural whatever's kind of happening in that area. So let me cut some of these. Typically don't have baby hair, but I do believe in sideburns. I love a sideburn. I think I could use a little thinning in here a little bit. There we go. That's me. That's my kind of sideburn. Okay, now question: to keep this straight, you think, or curl it up? This color is really growing on me. Okay, let's see. This will help me decide. I'm gonna curl this front piece one time, real quick. No, but it's been a while since I've had anything like that. Some bigger, loose kind of curls. It has been a while. Yo, I'm a Gemini, guys, if you didn't already know. And the indecisiveness can be very real. Very real. Now I'm like, ooh, I like it. I like the little bit of wave and texture. I think I need some earrings with this. Just because of the tuck back, I personally love accessories, so I feel like I need a little hip. And I'm extra, so of course I want a pair of earrings that look like they're from the 80s. Hi. Oh. Stop. Who, me? I can't, okay? I just can't. You're so crazy. Oh my God, you're so Alright, y'all. This one's become a staple. I'm about to do every piece of hair that I have maybe in this color because I didn't know I needed it. Now I need it. Now I need it. I'm done. That's all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe. That's how you make it official, y'all, because it's popping and it's lit and it's where you want to be. Until next time, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Mostly.
Whispered that she don't drink, set the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon'